Hi everybody, this is Wilson, your waterman with the City of Frisco's WaterWise program. Did you know that your landscape is one of the best places to save both water and money? For today's WaterWise episode, we are visiting the Shawnee Trail Demonstration Garden here in Frisco to learn some winter pruning tips. In North Texas, late February is the perfect time to prune many common shrubs and small trees. A little bit of winter maintenance now will have your landscape look great the rest of the year. Today's guest, Helena Erickson, has a degree in horticulture from Texas A&M. She lives in Frisco and is also an active member of the Frisco Garden Club. Today, Helena is here to teach us how to properly cane prune Nandina shrubs in late winter. Go for it, Helena.
Thanks, Wilson. Today I'm going to show you how to properly prune Nandinas to accentuate their natural form. This is an example of a Nandina that's been hedged, and you can see that it really hasn't improved its look. So we're going to show you how to cane prune the Nandina using its natural form to create a softer, more natural shaped Nandina. Now here we found some dead canes, so those you want to try and cut off as close to the ground as possible. Here's another one that needs to come off. As you can see, it's already starting to look more natural. We're going to just prune a couple more and be finished. There we go. Ta-da! Look, doesn't that look more natural? So now we're going to clean this guy up, and you can see he also has kind of been hedged, and he has a different growth habit than the other Nandina, but he's pruned the same way. You just look for the canes and go down to 6 inches or so above the ground. You want to space out the canes that you prune throughout the bush so that they're not all from one spot. Pruning the Nandina like this encourages soft, bushy growth from the bottom so you don't end up with a trunk and all this top-heavy growth. So now you can see how cane pruning improved the natural look of these Nandinas. You want to remember to only prune about 1/3 of the canes, and you only need to do it about every 2 to 3 years.
Thanks for those helpful pruning tips, Helena. For more information on winter pruning from AgriLife, check out the link in the video description. If you'd like to stay updated on your watering recommendations and all our WaterWise programs like this, you can sign up for the WaterWise newsletter at friscotexas.gov/water. This has been your Waterman Wilson, and as always, thank you, Frisco, for using water wisely. Bye, everybody.